lovely. Yes. Yes, you get to eat that. Yes, you get to eat that. Put a bib on him.
How is it? Do you
Put
like
the bib
it?
on him, actually. You gotta put the bib on him. Yes.
Oh.
Come on, buddy. On his tongue. Your first feed. Your first feed. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Oh. What's that like?
It's tasty, isn't it? It's tasty. Yes, it's tasty.
Nummy. Nummy, num, num, nums. Does it taste good?
It's tasty.
You swallowed it, didn't you? Here you go.
That's the way. That's the way, beautiful. That's the way.
Is that nice? Look at your big boy. Such a big boy. Here we go. He likes it. Is that nice? Is that good? Is that nice? I think you like it. Don't you like it? Do you want a little bit more still?
He does like it, doesn't he?
Do you like it?
You do like it, don't you,
Oh,
Saki?
here's the aeroplane.
Feel that little tummy. Feel that little tummy. Yes, he's a little daddy. Good, good.
Yum.
Mm.
Yummy.
Yum, yum, yums. Yum, yum, yums. Oh, he's going for it as well.
I liked it, eh? I'll get away. Look, honey.
Hey, we're just feeding Zaki. I'll give you a call back, alright, in just a sec. Yeah, no, we're there soon. I'll just give you a call back in a minute. We're just feeding him his first feed. See you. See you soon, okay. Jessie Bear. Yes. Yes, yes, yes.
Loves it, eh?
Loves it. That's just it.
You didn't even make...
You're a very good eater, Zachy Pie. You're a very
Not
good
spitting
eater.
any of it out.
Yeah, no.
Yet.
Nobody's swallowing it.